Bitcoin is heating up once again. After a period of tight consolidation, price has pushed past major key levels, leaving traders asking one question. Is this the start of the next major bull run or a potential trap? Let's break down the chart and the critical news driving this market. Looking at the macroeconomic backdrop, recent Treasury liquidity measures and shifting regulatory sentiment in the US have injected massive confidence back into risk assets. Notice how price bounces between this solid support floor and the major resistance overhead. This compression usually leads to an explosive move, making this zone critical for your next trade. Looking at the lower indicators, the volume profile shows strong buying pressure backing this move, confirming that big players are active. Meanwhile, the RSI is currently sitting around 62, which means we still have plenty of room to push higher before hitting overbought territory. This alignment between volume and momentum supports a continued upside. On top of that, institutional spot Bitcoin ETFs are seeing aggressive net inflows, pouring hundreds of millions of dollars back into the market. Technically speaking, holding above the $71,000 support zone is a strong bullish signal. On the higher time frames, our immediate short-term target sits near $76,000. If Bitcoin maintains this momentum, analysts project a clear path toward macro targets at $90,000 and eventually the psychological $100,000 level. However, risk management is essential. If we see a breakdown below the $68,500 support level, expect a deeper retest towards $64,000. Given the current news-driven environment, volatility will remain extremely high, so always respect your key levels. What's your outlook? Do you think Bitcoin hits $100,000 next, or are we due for a short-term correction? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for daily technical updates.